I don't know who's out there that needs to hear this, but don't give up. It's not time to give up. God is still in control. And this is the song I hear Him singing over you tonight. I'm standing and waiting. I'm calling you lovingly to come. Just come. I've watched as you struggled. Broken hearted, you've carried the weight of love on your own. Don't you know I'm the answer? Don't you know I'm the key to life? Freedom is waiting. My spirit is calling you to life, oh, to life. Come drink of my water. Come eat at my table that's restoring you to life. To life. Freedom is waiting. My spirit is calling you to life, oh, to life. Come drink of my water. Come eat at my table that's restoring you to life. He still sees you. He still cares. And He's not done. So don't give up.